I left a restored car here. What happened to it? Welcome back to Freeman's Garage Extra. For about 4 to 6 months now, I'd say, I've had a 1963 Rambler American stashed in an outdoor storage facility. Oh, better gear down for this. We are headed to that storage facility right now to check on our 1963 AMC, American Motors Corporation, Rambler American. I haven't seen it for a few months now, and it's full of parts and personal belongings. Probably should make sure that everything that's supposed to be in the car is still in the car. Well, and that the car is actually still there. Jeez! I don't know if we're gonna make it. The reason why the car is in this storage spot, well, if you've been watching all the Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra videos, you know that have been stuck moving for months in between Texas and Oklahoma. The sale of my house and the purchase of another house keeps falling apart. Yada, yada, yada. I got cars and tools spread out all over the place. I'm excited to see this car again. I haven't even had an opportunity to do anything with it yet. It hasn't even been a project on Freeman's Garage yet. You've seen it on this channel, Freeman's Garage Extra, when I went to Waco and bought it. Well, east of Waco, but you just say Waco. Remember when our horn fell off of our 1985 Harley Davidson? I think this is the road we found it on. And to make a little detour at the hardware store. Fixing the bathtub. Well, I just realized that the key card to get into the storage facility is in the 1-ton Ford, so we're going back. So I remembered to stop for something that we don't even need to do what we need to do, and I forgot something that we need to do what we need to do. Womp womp. Oh, guess the horn wire disconnected. All right, we're in. I decided we would just take the 1-ton Ford because, well, I really actually don't want to attract a lot of attention at the storage facility anyways. And I don't even like being in this town. I'm telling you, it's, when it comes to driving, it is Nimrod City. Where are we? Okay, it's down there and around the corner. Let's go all the way around. That way, well, depends on if we're blocked back here. No, we're not. How do you like my filthy broken windshield? Cracked windshield. You know, I left Texas for a bit during the winter, and that's what happened to it. All right. It's gonna be around this corner. There it is. Nice Freightliner. What is that, a Cascadia? Oh, I see nothing's changed around here. Well, cowboy, let's take a look. I left a restored car here. What happened to it? Just kidding. Well, it's still missing one headlight. Our 1975 license plate is still there. And we are on 4 flat tires. We got these crazy stickers in the windshield that I've never even looked at yet. I refuse to read that. I'm waiting until we actually start this project. And we're in the seedy side of town, so we'll be a little bit quick. It's not that I'm afraid, it's just why. Okay, that Nixon Air tire still has air in it. I never could get those windows up, which is fine. It rarely ever rains around here. 1963 American Motors Corporation, AMC, Rambler American. Rambler was its own brand at the time. And got the melted American flag sticker. Let's get in the trunk. Thought we had a license plate there on the back. I guess not. This actually broke here during the video series of preparing to move and moving this car from the Texas Freeman's Garage location to the storage facility here in Texas. Okay, come on. Usually a guy can just pop right into this. What's going on? You may ask, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, you may ask, why do you store your vehicle in the seedy side of town? Well, the rent's cheaper. And if you can't get into the vehicle, they probably can't. But I guess we can still get in, so I guess maybe they can. But I digress. I actually don't know the meaning of the word digress, but I use it once in a while. Okay, all of this looks exactly how we left it. So, close that back up. Make sure it's secure. And no windows have been broken out. Proper ventilation. I love that dent. I didn't know that dent was in it when I went to go pay for and pick up the car, which is fine. I just didn't see it in the pictures. Man, I cannot wait to start this project. This is going to be a real neat car. I'm thinking about calling it bread box, maybe. Kind of looks like a piece of bread. It's shaped like a bread box. Okay, so I was trying to remember if all I put in here was stuff that I didn't care if somebody steals. That's all early 50s Ford Dash stuff there. But I guess there is some stuff that I do not want to get stolen. I don't see any mouse poop. Okay, that's all Tri-5 Chevy stuff in that box. Original window pieces, trim pieces, whatnot. It's not, you know, in the greatest shape. There's early 50s Ford brake stuff. Okay. Boy, I didn't put any. I thought I filled this car up all the way. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can open the door. Some stuff on the package tray. Uh-oh. There we go. Cannot wait for this project. Put our hip into it. Yeah, I don't remember ever getting these doors open. Pretty sure didn't we get the driver's door open? Either in the video series where we moved the car over here, or oh, there we go. I was gonna say, or was it the video when we went and bought the car? What is there? You know what? Before we look in this bag, I want to point out I don't see any fresh snake skins or mouse poop or anything. I think the floor has a layer about that thick of animal poop, probably raccoon poop. That's decades old. Not sure yet. Oh, okay. Well, if you want to know why some of this car's brake parts are in here, the videos I've mentioned are linked in the description if you haven't seen them yet or you want to watch them again. This is going to be a fun project. I only saw under the hood for a split second when I bought the car just to make sure there was an engine there, and I intentionally didn't actually look at anything. I just, oh yep, there's an engine, because I want to see things, discover stuff for the first time along with you. But I remember, I think I saw an air compressor, or as in an AC pump. So this is an air-conditioned car, I believe. And it might be a flathead. It's like the Grand Canyon. And there's the chain we used during the video series, which actually got a little dangerous. Mission accomplished. Aye, aye, sir. Oh, geez, look at the top. I think that's, I think that rag top is a rag top. All right, good night, love you. Don't know when I'm gonna get you from Texas to Oklahoma. Probably going to be a few months because I have 10,000 other vehicles to move, and yeah, that's going to take a long, well, I mean, it's about a 10-hour drive each way. I mean, I could knock out moving, I think I got 4 or 5 vehicles to move from Texas to Oklahoma. I mean, you could get it done in a week if you really wanted to. But at this point, right now, we don't even have a new Freeman's Garage location in Oklahoma. I'm sure you've seen all those update videos and you know everything's It's fallen apart 10,000 times. Now, how do we get out of here? Let's go over here. I want to see what might be hiding back here at the fence. Anything good? Well, no. There's a boat, but you know that doesn't run. Well, it's good to know that nothing has changed around here. And this car is safe as in its mama's womb. I appreciate the subscribing and liking and everything. And that really, it really does do something. It really does make a difference.